Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Thelma, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you 3 of my very simple sandwich recipes in detail. Let's get started. So I have my slightly pan-toasted sliced bread, mayonnaise, margarine, and black pepper. You can use butter, boiled egg, baked beans, sardine, and tuna chunks. You can replace it with tuna flakes. My washed vegetables: lettuce, carrot, onion, cucumber, and cabbage. The first method is the egg sandwich, and we are going to begin by roughly messing this boiled egg up with a fork. So we are going to just roughly break the egg, roughly mash it, whatever, with a fork. When it's fine, we'll add the black pepper and mayonnaise. Please adjust the black pepper to your preference and stir everything up. I'll be adding a little salt to taste. Just stir everything and our filling is ready. So I'm going to just spread this margarine on the bread. And add the filling. Make sure you fill it as much as you want or as little as you want. And our egg sandwich is ready. Simple as that. I'm going to be dividing mine diagonally because yes, I like to be a little bit extra. So yeah, this is how it looks on the inside. Yummy. The second method is what I like to call the protein sandwich. So I'm just going to mix my protein component up, the baked beans, tuna chunks, roughly mess up my sardine and add it and mix everything up. I'm just basically making a protein filling. And I'm just going to add a little bit of ketchup for that extra sweetness. And mix everything up, and our filling is ready. So I'm going to layer the bread with some lettuce and add the filling. This is my personal favorite, guys. Let me know in the comment section which of the methods is your favorite, and give this video a thumbs up. Click on like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. It's free. And protein sandwich is ready. This is how it looks like on the inside. Guys, this is so yummy. I really love protein sandwich. The last is the vegetable sandwich, and this is very simple. I'm just going to layer all the vegetables up: the lettuce, the carrots, cabbage, onions, cucumber, everything. I'm just going to layer them up and add some ketchup for that sweetness. And it's done. Simple as that. Looks so yummy, guys. This is so yummy. Thanks so much for watching this video, and please leave a comment in the comment section. Till our next video. Bye, XO.